Happy Monday mga mare at pare! In his new era, si Asia's multimedia star Alden Richards bilang kontrabida sa kanyang kauna-unahang international film. Isa rin sa mga nag-produce niyan si Alden. Ang latest hatid ni Athena Imperial.
Ang kwento ng pag-ibig.
Mula sa pagiging good boy sa mga serye at pelikula, ngayon, siya naman ang kontrabida. Yan ang change of character ni Asia's multimedia star Alden Richards sa kauna-unahan niyang international film na Big Tiger.
I've been dreaming about playing this kind of role because it's been a dream of mine to be also like the bad guy in storytelling. So in terms of prep, constant communication with the director at the same time, bringing in back knowledge of the previous villains that I've watched in the past, like how to be different, how to make this new.
Sa character-driven action film na ito, na pinagbibidahan ng English actor na si Luke Goss, hindi lang miyembro ng cast ang kapuso actor, siya rin ang film producer.
Dito kasi nag-build talaga sila ng soundstage, meron kaming binild na kulungan, para at least, and also may binild din kaming isang segment ng building where my character lived. So with that kasi parang you get to really get full control of the environment, not so much noise, yung weather din at the same time. I think that's one of the things we should really adapt as local filmmakers, is also to give value for production. Kasi nagmamanifest siya sa material that you have.
Ang director-writer na si Keone Waxman at action stars na sina Catherine McNamara at Byron Mann, pinuri si Alden sa pagganap nitong kontrabida.
Working with Alden is great. I mean, again, like I said, he's playing a role that he's playing a role that he normally didn't play. That's what he does really well. I mean, he's very charismatic.
I had no idea that you had never played an antagonist until today. I truly had no idea because he's so fantastic in the film and we had the best time together.
I just met him for the first time on set, kind of, right? So, and he was supposed to be the big villain in the movie, obviously. And I just assumed that he was a bad man in real life.
Si Max Collins, napasabak din sa aksyon sa pelikulang ito. Sabi pa ni Max, lahat ng Pinoy sa pelikula, mapa-cast member man o bahagi ng production, mahusay na ginampanan ang kanilang roles at tasks.
It was so much fun and it was so humbling, I think, for us because, there's so many things that we don't know. Like, there's similarities, but there's so many differences and it just reminds you to always be on your toes.
Ipalalabas abroad at sa Pilipinas ang pelikula sa susunod na taon. Athena Imperial, nagbabalita para sa GMA Integrated News.